Gifting cookies and sweet goodies to loved ones is an essential part of Chinese New Year, and these peanut cookies are perfect for gifting because they don't require a full day's work and they are incredibly moreish. The texture of these is melt in your mouth and crumbly, and it is very, very addictive. So the most important step in making these cookies lie in the toasting of the peanuts. You want to be using skin-on raw peanuts for these. The skin helps to protect the peanuts from the heat of the wok, and it allows you to toast the peanuts more thoroughly. You want to toast the peanuts on low heat until the skins look charred and the peanuts taste fragrant. So you can remove the skins of the peanuts by rubbing them between your palms when they have cooled down. And then you can use a colander to shake out all of the peanut skins. Transfer the skinned peanuts to a blender. You can also use a food processor. And you want to pulse the peanut until a fine powder forms. You don't want it to turn into peanut butter, but you just want it to look like ground peanuts. Now in a large bowl, you want to sift the flour and the icing sugar. To this, add your ground peanuts and salt to taste. Now add a little bit of soft butter and knead it into the mixture with your fingers. If you want to make a vegan version of this cookie, you can leave the butter out and use something like coconut oil instead, or you can just use pure oil. So when the butter has been rubbed in, gradually incorporate your peanut oil. You can use other neutral types of oil like grapeseed oil or regular vegetable oil, but peanut oil is my preference for this cookie. When it's ready, the dough should look crumbly but cohesive. So using a weighing scale, you want to shape balls weighing about 7 grams from the dough. Weighing it helps all the cookies bake evenly, and this is very crucial for this recipe because the cookies are very, very small. So it looks like a very small amount of dough per cookie, but this will expand when you bake them. So you want to lay the cookies spaced slightly apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet and flatten the balls slightly with your fingers. Now with a clean pan cap, gently make an indentation on the cookies. You can also choose to stick a peanut on each cookie if you prefer. And now beat together 1 egg yolk and 2 teaspoons of water to dilute the egg yolk. And then using a brush, you want to apply this egg wash onto each cookie gently. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. And when all of the cookies have been egg washed, you can bake the cookies for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and cracked.